Hi, Ninth Bangalore Short Film Festival 2020. This is Sonali, and with me is.
Hi, I'm Vishan. Uh, for this Bangalore Film Festival, we are so fortunate to be in part of this Bangalore Film Festival, and our film got selected here. My name is Vishan. I am the director of this film.
So, how did you come up with the idea for this film?
It's actually we were making ads and promo videos in our college, so we were so bit busy we couldn't get the time to make short films and all. So in the quarantine period, gave us much time and much to think. And Jafar Bana was one of my inspiration to make films within the limitations and the restrictions we have. So we found a way how we can make a film in those all restrictions by having less equipments and the cast in the film is if you see the movie you know the only one or two casts are there at the most and so that made us to write a story and just give a shot. So that's how the inspiration was to make the film and we did make the film. That's how it all
Yes.
happened.
And Vishan, would you like to tell us about how did you manage the human resources there?
Yeah, it's funny, but because the film was mostly it will be shot during night, so it will take around
Hmm.
like two. It will finish by 3 or 4 o'clock. So even
Hmm.
2 days we are continuously shooting. So the part which we need to shoot in the morning was done, and after the night part is which is scenes about 8 to 7 scenes, like 7 to 8 scenes were all shot in the night. So therefore to make people used to get tired. That's a common thing. So but we were working in a deadline, so I was to make them wake up, and they were so cooperative to make things work. And that was funny as well as it was hard to make people work at night. So that was the only thing
Hmm.
with in human resource I found it very difficult to handle on.
That's what it is. Then we will talk about our target audience. Our target audience is everyone, actually. Everyone who likes being spooked is basically our target audience. Won't you agree to that, Ushan?
Yeah, of course it is. Even though we made the film to make people scared, so if they're
Yeah.
scared, we are so happy. Like we are sadist in a sense, but even then we like to people get scared, and
Hmm.
that's why we made the film. And the target audience is everyone. Like whoever gets easy to if the people. The first priority is whoever gets scary like very soon. Then we are so happy. So we have achieved a thing.
So now we will discuss about the promotion and distribution plans for this film.
We were planning to start FB page as well, and like, if we are getting if we are getting more likes from people, we would like to expand by next one we like to expand our footprint in every social media and wherever we can promote and distribute our.
Why should audiences watch this film?
Like only can take it like you're saying something about food. If you want to we wanted to make people scared. So if people want to get scared, they can watch this film, right? That's what my
Yes,
take on that.
yes. If you want to explore this story, or this is a different kind of dish prepared by us. So if you want to explore what's there in it, so first thing is certainly that spook factor. So you can go for it. Any message you want to give to emerging filmmakers, Vishan?
So we have not reached to that point to unveil people. Even we are budding and amateur filmmakers. So I think what made us to start the filmmaking and start the process was that they used to say that when you can't run, you need to walk. If you can't walk, just crawl. So the point
Hmm.
is just move on. Like we need to move from one place to another. We are
Hmm.
we are most thankful to them and whoever they are was participating in it, we wish them best of luck.
Yeah, I'll also add to this, like what stops you from proceeding is basically the voices in your head. So don't let it dominate. Take that first step. So that is what you need to do. I'd also give our best wishes to 9th Bangalore Film Festival, and also I would take this platform to thank the 9th Bangalore Shorts Film Festival for allowing us or giving us this opportunity to showcase our hard work in the form of our short film Calling, and that's all.
Hello everybody.
Hello everyone. All the very best to 9th Bangalore Film Festival, and we are also excited because we are also participating in this time.
And we had a lot of roadblocks. We didn't have any money. It's a zero budget film, and we didn't have any camera. It's made on mobile phone, and it's interesting. I hope next year also we will participate, and next year also Bangalore Film Festival will grow bigger and better with more number of participants and more number of. And special thanks to my brother Vishant for making this amazing film, and I hope we get some prizes and wins, and then we'll have a party. All the best, everybody.
All the best. All the best.